Large vision-guided laser cutting machine, ushering in a new era of intelligent vision cutting. Introducing the Model 1814 Large Vision-Guided Laser Cutting Machine. Equipped with an industrial-grade HD camera, it intelligently recognizes and positions printed patterns for fast, precise cutting. Featuring dual independent laser heads with asynchronous cutting technology, each head operates independently to maximize flexibility and productivity. With a maximum cutting speed of up to 200 mph, it delivers the power and efficiency required for high-volume production. Powered by intelligent vision guidance and high-speed precision cutting, the Sublistar Vision Laser Cutting Machine is widely used for sportswear, flags, plush toys, apparel, home textiles, and other dye sublimation products, delivering smarter and more efficient automation. 1814 Large Vision Guided Laser Cutting Machine. Cut faster. Cut smarter.